हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम इंग्लिश के फ्रेज़ल वर्ड के बारे में बात करेंगे। फ्रेज़ल वर्ड जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसे आप ये आपकी एग्ज़ाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। और अगर आप इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग सीख रहे हो तो ये आपके लिए भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाले हैं। तो अगर आप इन फ्रेज़ल्स को, इडियम और फ्रेज़ल्स वर्ड्स को अपने डेली लाइफ में यूज़ करते हो तो आपकी इंग्लिश डे बाय डे बहुत अच्छी होगी और इसका रिज़ल्ट आपको खुद देखने को मिलेगा। तो आज हम कुछ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रेजल वर्ड डिस्कस करेंगे विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू एंड योर डेली लाइफ. So let's get started. Our first word is here, be up. Be up means you can say when something got finish. Here we will use for the sequence in of time. Be up means when got something finished, but it will be only related to time. So let's see the example. Time is going to be up. Hand over your answer copies. Time is going to be up. Hand over your answer copies. It's mean टाइम जो है वो फिनिश होने वाला है, तो आप सभी अपनी बुक्स अपनी आंसर कॉपीज़ मुझे सबमिट करो. ओके. And our next word is here. We will talk about next word is here, ask after. Okay. Here we are using the phrasal words. When you are using the prepositions with a particular words, that then it will give the different meaning. Second word is here, ask after. Ask means we know very well. It's when you are asking to someone. It means पूछना. When you are using the preposition with after, ask and after. When you are using the ask and after, and then it will give the different meaning. Ask after means when you are asking about to a person, when you are investigating about the other person. Ask after means when you are asking about someone. So let's see the example. He was asking after you when I met him this morning. He was asking after you when I met him this morning. इट्स मीन जब मैं सुबह उससे मिली तो वो तुम्हारे बारे में पूछ रहा था. आस्क आफ्टर मीन्स व्हेन यू आर आस्किंग आफ्टर टू समवन. ओके. Our next word is here, blow down. Blow down means you can use this word. Blow down means when you can say when तूफान जो होता है जब बहुत तेज आता है और उससे कुछ गिर जाता है, then you will say blow down. Blow down means when have such a very thunderstorms and something got vanished and something got you can say spoiled as our environment. So you will use this word blow down. So let's see the example. The storm last night blew down many big trees. Blew down we will use here because it was the past. It was happened in past. So you will use the here for the second form. So I have used here blew down. The storm last night blew down many big trees. Blew down means when you can say तूफान से जब कुछ गिर जाता है. Okay. And our next word is here, believe in. Believe in means you can say when you are trying to believe in others. So let's see the example. I do not believe in astrology. I believe in my mother. I believe in myself. I believe in my success. This word you can use. Believe in means when you are trying to believe in something. And our next word is here, bear with. Bear with means you can say when you are tolerating to someone. Bear with means when you are tolerating to someone. Let's see the example. It is very difficult to bear with Rani's bad temper. It is very difficult to bear with Rani's bad temper. It's mean उसका रानी का जो बिहेव है उसे बर्दाश्त करना बहुत मुश्किल है. ओके. And our next word is here, bit fair. Bit fair means you can say when have a possibility, a very good possibility. So let's see the example. His coaching has been so good that he beats fair to win the race. Beat fair means when you can say when have very good possibility to do something. His coaching has been so good that he beats fair to win the race. Okay. And our next word is here, bear down. Bear down means you can say when you are trying something, कुछ चीज़ को उखाड़ने की जब आप कोशिश कर रहे हो, then you'll say the director bore down all oppositions, the president bore down all dissent. Okay. And our next word is here, ask for. Ask for means you can say मांग लेना. Okay, ask for means you can say मांग लेना. Let's see the example. You can ask for anything if you have need. You can ask for anything if you have need. मतलब आप कुछ भी मांग सकते हो अगर आपको कोई चीज़ की ज़रूरत है. You can ask for anything if you have need. And our next word is here, answer for. Answer for means you can say when you are responsible for that work. If you have done something wrong and you are responsible for that, then we use the here answer for. So let's see the example. Every man must answer for his action to God. Every man must answer for his action. And our next word is here, answer for. Answer for means you can say when you are responsible for something. Okay, let's see the example. Every man must answer for his action to God. Every man must answer for his action to God. And our next word is here, come around. Come around means you can say धीरे धीरे स्वास्थ्य का सुधरना. How you will take the example for this word? So let's see the example. My friend was seriously ill for some days but is now coming round. My friend was seriously ill for some days but is now coming round. मतलब मेरा फ्रेंड जो काफ़ी टाइम से बीमार था उसका स्वास्थ्य अब धीरे धीरे सुधर रहा है. And you can use this word, come around. Come around has second word also. Then you can say accept करना, मान लेना. Why you can't come around that you can't live without me. Come around means why you come around. Why you can't come around that you can't live without me. It's mean तुम मान क्यों नहीं लेते कि तुम मेरे बिना नहीं जी सकते. Okay. Our next word is here, close up. Close up means you can say when you are closing to something to your shop for a short time. So that's the word close up. So let's see the example. He closed up the shop for the day and went home. He closed up the shop for the day and went up. And next word is here, close down. Close down means you can say when you are closing to your shop or your factory or your company for always. When you are closing down to your company, मतलब आप हमेशा के लिए जब कंपनी को बंद कर रहे हो, then you will use close down. Let's see this example. On account of a slump in the market, he had to close down his shop. On account of a slump in the market, so he had to close down his shop. And our next word is here, check up. Check up means you can say when पता लगाना. Next, let's see the example. Please check up if he is at home or not. Check up means पता लगाना. Please check up please check up if he is at home or not. Please check up. Will you check up that I have fever or not? Will you check up that I have temperature or not? Next word is here, breakout. Breakout means you can say suddenly when something started. Suddenly something started. Breakout means you can say when something suddenly something started. So let's see the example. No one could tell the police how the fire broke out. No one could tell the police how the fire broke out. मतलब कोई भी पुलिस को नहीं बता सका कि आग कैसे लगनी शुरू हुई. Broke out we have used here because it is the talking about of past tense. So we have used here the second form of break. Our next word is here, come out. Come out means you can say when you know something about. मतलब आपको अगर किसी चीज़ के बारे में पता चला है, so you will say come out. Let's see the example. I have come out that you have got the government job. I have come out that you have got the government job. It's mean मुझे पता चला है कि तुम्हें government job मिल गई है. Okay. And next word is here, come along. Come along means you can say when you're doing progress, how much progress you are doing. So you can use this word here. Instead of progress, we can use this word come along. Let's see the example. House is your book. coming along. It's mean तुम्हारी जो books है वो कितनी प्रगति कर रही है. How is your book coming along? Coming along means you can say प्रगति करना. The next word is here catch up. Catch up means you can say when you are trying to equal to someone, and this word you can use for the race. If you are doing race with someone, then you can say catch up. Catch up means किसी के बराबर पहुंचने की कोशिश करना. So let's see the example. He ran so fast so that it was difficult to catch up with him. If he ran so fast so that was so difficult to catch up with him. मतलब वो बहुत तेज़ भागता है तो उसको पीछा करना मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल था. उसके बराबर पहुंचना मेरे लिए बहुत difficult था. Next word is here call off. Call off means you can say repel. When you are trying to call up means you can say when you are trying to repel to your party, to your meeting, to your contract, any kind of thing can be. So let's see the example. I had to call off the party because of my wife's illness. I had to call off my party because of my wife's illness. मतलब मैंने पार्टी को रद्द कर दिया क्योंकि मेरी वाइफ की तबीयत खराब थी. Word is here break loose. Break loose means you can say when something gets opened. मतलब जब कुछ खुल गया है, खुल जाता है, then you can use this word. The buffalo broke loose the rope and run away. The buffaloes broke loose the rope and run away. मतलब buffalo की रस्सी जो थी वो खुल गई और वो भाग गई. The buffalo broke loose the rope and run away. The buffalo broke loose the rope and run away. And next word is here fall off. Fall off means you can say come hona. Fall off means you can say come hona. And let's see the example. On account of the heavy snowfall, attendance at the evening class has fallen off considerably. On account of the heavy snowfall, attendance at the evening class has fallen off considerably. Means fall off means come hona.